Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Introducing the Knipex, CutiX Universal Knife. This innovative tool features an extendable stabilization bar for versatile and precise cutting, perfect for any task. With its robust magnesium housing, it's as light as plastic, but as strong as die-cast aluminum. At just 165mm long and weighing approximately 111 grams, it fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during extended use. Say goodbye to blade bending. The Knipex CutiX ensures a secure fit with high-quality blade locking, making every cut safe and easy. And, depending on your needs, the blade can be used flexibly or rigidly. And with snap-off blades stored right in the handle, changing blades is a breeze. No tools needed. Whether you are slicing through cardboard or plastic, the Knipex CutiX Universal Knife is your reliable companion for precision and performance. Trust Mr. Worker, your personal advisor for professional tools. Get your CutiX today and experience the difference.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.